Uh-oh. When in doubt, ram her from behind. That's what one of my buddies used to say. This truck is gutless. This 85 turn motor in here is not good as far as I'm concerned. Speed's not terrible, but has no power. You barely go up the hill with 2 scoops of dirt in it. My haze burns up it no problem, but we had a little bit of a accident with the haze, and the jackass behind the stick here wasn't paying attention and drove it up on the bank and rolled it over and broke the mirror off, so it had to go in the shop, get some repairs done. Luckily it only broke the mirror. This is fun, but a little boring at the same time because I'm by myself. But you know, there's nothing wrong with playing with yourself. That's what Mario said anyway.